This is my first incubator. It was a do-it-yourself styrofoam incubator. There you saw the viewing window. These are ventilation, temperature regulation windows, and you do need those. Tubing, this was from a fish tank, like a fish tank tubing, and a syringe to add water because you don't necessarily want to open the top. That was a dimmer for the 15-watt light bulb, and you do need a dimmer. It would have been too hot otherwise. Two thermometers. One also indicates humidity. The 4 eggs are all pipping. Sponge, rocks, container, just to increase the humidity. And I did a low humidity hatch, only 25 to 40% in the first 18 days, and then 60 to 70% for the last 3 days. And you can see the breathing, in the egg that has pipped there next to the humidity thermometer thing. And it's going to push out a little bit. That chick actually zipped already, and it's gonna get it hatched pretty soon after that. But they all made it, despite the temperatures being pretty high, up to 107 one time. In the daytime, I could barely keep it low enough at the recommended 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So it can be done. Good luck if you're trying it.